In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a navigation menu for your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, click Pages from the top menu. This is where you can manage all the pages that appear in your website's navigation menu. To add a new menu item, click the plus button and choose the type of page you want to create. You can select a standard page, blog page, product page, or external page, depending on your needs. Enter a name for the page, such as Home, About, Services, or Contact. Then click Done. The page will automatically be added to your website's navigation menu. To change the order of your navigation items, simply drag and drop the pages into the order you want. If you want to create a drop-down menu, drag a page slightly beneath and to the right of another page to make it a sub-page. When you're finished organizing your pages, save your changes and publish your website so the updated navigation menu is visible to your visitors. That's how to create a navigation menu for your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.